Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So yesterday we were sit on hands, levels are still in from yesterday, and nothing has actually changed, to be honest, on this pair. Sorry, not this pair, but on this index. And when you start drilling down through the time frames, you see clear indications of confusion. So selling off there, buying off here. We're not buying off a level just yet, so this level is still very much in play, 33,976. We were probably testing 3,400, which is a round number. A little bit of a separation here of the oscillators, nothing to write home about, and we're above all the moving averages. So I still am of the opinion that this is a consolidation, and we just need to wait for it to play out before we get going to the upside again. So don't forget to drop a thumbs up for us, drop us a like, bottom right corner, and I will be traveling, as I said yesterday. So I will leave a link to Instagram account in the description. Be sure to follow, and we'll share what we can share when we have time and when we have signal through the next couple of days. So looking at the hour, pure consolidation in amongst moving averages, nothing really bearish setup there. Oscillators moving to the downside quite nicely, so that is easing off from the overbought conditions, and nothing really there, to be honest. It's still indicating sit on hands, and yesterday was a big up and big down day. It started off with like holiday price action and then confusion. Here we are bearish, but we do have this gap here which is closed, but then we do have this other gap to the downside here as well. So I'm still of the opinion 33,976 is what we are looking at. This 3,400 here is obviously a round number. You can see the bouncing off that yesterday. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. I think probably safer just to wait for a break, to be honest. So wait for the break of 34,170 and retest. That'll break the range. Retest it, that would give you the confidence that it's moving to the upside. I'm not so sure I want to just be trading the range. So for me, this is a sit on hands. Probably just going to sit back, watch it, and we'll see what transpires. If it does break the downside, then you're probably going to get a 177 point move. There's a 100 point setup there, and there's a 177 point. So there will be some form of structure there to the left, and there'll be another bit of structure to the left. And if I just take this to a higher time frame, you're going to see there's a solid bit of structure there, solid bit of structure there. So high time frame, we're definitely in a bullish trend, but we're looking at a pullback here. So the question is how far that pullback is going to happen. And this looks like a bit of a top, everything lining up. But the other thing you need to bear in mind is a big shoulder, big head, form the right shoulder. So it needs to sort of consolidate and coil, ready for an explosive move to the upside. If it's going to move to the upside, it's not going to go up in a straight line. So it have to sort of build a base, get some more buyers in, and then start driving price to the upside. So be patient, guys. I think today is probably another sit on hands day, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Hope it helps, and cheers for now.